Let's look at two key technologies incorporated in Panasonic air conditioners. First, Econavi. It's almost like Econavi air conditioners have a mind of their own. The secret is the intelligent sensors and their collaboration with the inverter. The human activity sensor detects where people are. Air is directed to where people are, and power is adjusted in accordance with the level of their activity. The result is eco-friendly operation and energy efficiency. Next is the sunlight sensor, which detects the strength of sunlight entering the room. Airflow and temperature are adjusted in accordance with the level of the sunlight coming in the windows. Energy consumption is reduced without your even knowing it. Second is Nano-EG, which purifies the air. Nano-EG particles circulate throughout the room, deactivating viruses and bacteria that adhere to furniture. This technology was independently developed by Panasonic. Airborne viruses and bacteria are also captured, gathered, and deactivated in the air conditioner's filter. Nano-EG also eliminates most PM 2.5 particles, known to be damaging to human health. Panasonic Econavi air conditioners continue to evolve.
Panasonic.